A lot of people think that making money online is hard, but if you know what to do and what website to visit, then making money online will be easier. Today, I will be sharing a strategy where we can earn up to hundreds of dollars. If you don't have any prior experience or skills, then you don't have to worry because this method is beginner friendly. What I also love about this is that you don't need to spend a lot because this method is 100% free. In fact, you don't have to spend a dime. Let me ask you a question. Where are you right now? Are you in America? In Brazil? Korea? Or are you in the Philippines? Are you from the United Kingdom? Canada? Thailand? Or Norway? Well, if you didn't hear me mention your country, you don't need to worry because this method is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. As always, I will be walking you through all the steps in this video, so I want you to stay with me. Our target is to earn money online, so I want you to be patient and not skip any part of this video because once you do, you might miss a very important step or a tip from me, and we don't want that. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can write easy reviews and earn money by doing so. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Okay, so let's start with the first step. I want you to go over to Capterra.com. Again, this is Capterra.com. Capterra helps you find the right software for your business. Find software, compare options, and read reviews. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that the sign-up process of this website is a bit complicated compared to other sign-up methods. As you can see here, there are 3 pages to complete for the review form. And for you not to commit any mistakes, I want you to finish this with me by the end. You also don't need to worry because somewhere in this video, I will show you how to write an easy review. By writing simple reviews, Capterra will pay you. If you come over here to the categories where you can find at the top of the page, you will see that Capterra has over 800 categories available just for you. These are all software on which you can write a review. Now that they have over 800 categories, this means that your opportunities are unlimited. Alright, so now of course we have to sign up for a free account to start. What I want you to do is click on this Write a Review button at the top part of the page. Then you will be redirected to this page where you can search for softwares, or as you can see here below, they have recommended softwares for you to write a review on. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's go back to the video. Alrighty, so you can write a review on any software you want, but I will be giving you a secret bonus, and that is, I want you to write a review on popular software or applications like Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Zoom, and Skype. If you can tell, these applications or software have a similarity. These are all being used today, especially now during quarantine where people have been working online and have been going to online classes. This way, it'll be easier for you to write a review about them. See, for example, you have Facebook. This is something that almost all of us use daily. Maybe this isn't popular in other countries, but you already have an idea of how Facebook works and how people use it. Now that we have an idea of what software we're going to write a review on, let's proceed to the next step. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to use Facebook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search Facebook here on this search bar. There will be a list of results here below, and I want you to click on this because this is the Facebook software or application. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see that we have to fill up a lot of needed information. Before we proceed, I want you to comment down below what country you come from so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that will be available in your country. That said, let's go back to the video. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that there are 3 pages for this review, so we'll get to that. Right now, I need you to fill this information which requires your first and last name and your email address. On the job title, I want you to put in whatever job you have right now if you are employed. only if you are employed, okay? If you don't have a job, then don't worry because you can just write freelancer. Here on the organization name, you can put self-employed, or if you have an organization, then you can just put it there. Next, for the industry, there are tons of options here. And again, if you're truly employed and you have an industry or a work industry, then you can select it. If you don't, then I want you to click on computer software. Or you can just pick whatever you like, but don't pick those industries which need expertise and license. Right now, I will be picking computer software. For the company size, if you are employed, pick the most accurate number for your company size. And again, if you're not employed, then you can just select myself only because we are self-employed. This part right here is very important. How long have you used this software? So there are several options for you. We have free trial, less than 6 months, 6 to 12 months, 1 to 2 years, and 2 or more years. If you select free trial, then the chances are you will not get paid. You can pick at least 6 months, but I do not recommend you to pick that. I recommend you choose 6 to 12 months until 2 or more years. For me, I've known Facebook for a very long time, so I'm going to use 2 and more years. Next question, how frequently do you use this software? So the options are daily, weekly, monthly, and other. So for this option, I need you to choose at least weekly. This applies to all the software on which you'll be writing a review on. In my case, I will use daily. Now for the last question on the first page, what is your role in using this software? Select all that apply. We have I am a user, I am the administrator, I am on the team that set up, implemented, or customized this product, I helped select or purchase this product. And the one that I want you to choose is I am a user because we are users of this specific application or software. By picking I am a user, they will approve and pay you. Before we proceed to the next step, I want to ask you how have you been doing during this pandemic? And comment down below your experiences. What brought you to this video? Now let's proceed to the second page. This is what we'll see here. They will be asking us for our star ratings. We have overall quality, ease of use, features and functionality, customer support, value for money, and ease of deployment. For the stars, I recommend you to click on 5 stars for all of them. Customer support and ease of deployment is optional, but you can still click on 5 stars. How does the pricing for Facebook compare to similar products? You can just select inexpensive because Facebook is free to use for all. How likely is it that you would recommend Facebook to a friend or colleague? And in this question, you can choose 10, which is very likely. That is it for the second page. This part is really easy and you can do this step in less than a minute. Now let's proceed to the third and final page of this software review. This is the most important part of this review because you will need to put in your pros and cons. You need to express what you feel about the software or the application. This is the part where a lot of people fail. This is where they can't earn money because they don't know how to write a review. Let me just tell you that you can earn up to $10 per review, and it is really easy to write one if you know what to do. Writing a review is just like writing your experience while using the product. So to some people, this part is easy because they can construct their words easily. But to those who are having a hard time, then you don't need to worry because I will be sharing a tip for you. If you don't have enough writing skills or if you're not that fluent in English, then you can just Google this. What you need to do is go over to Google and search for Facebook reviews, or you can search for Facebook pros and cons. You can open whatever site you want to open and you can read a lot of reviews. Now, the most important part, you are not allowed to plagiarize because you will be automatically declined if you do so. What I need you to do is read that article, the review on Facebook, and then get an idea of what you should write. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can just actually use a paraphrasing tool, which you can also Google. So, if you search for a paraphrasing tool, you just have to paste the article there and then it will automatically paraphrase those paragraphs for you. Now let's go through all the questions. For the title of the review, you can just put in the name of the software, or you can incorporate the name of the software with your title. So let's say Facebook review, or what I love about Facebook. Or you can also write what I don't like about Facebook. Basically, write anything that relates to the subject, which is Facebook. Now for the pros, what did you like most about the software? This is where you can paste the reviews, which I told you to paraphrase. I don't want to make this video longer, so I'm just going to tell you straight to the point of what I suggest you're going to write. Again, if you don't want to write from scratch, you can just search on Google Facebook pros. You can search, let's say, the best thing about Facebook. There will be tons of results on Google, and you can paraphrase each and every article. After you do that, you can paste it here. On to the next question. For the cons, what did you like least about this software? Same process with the pros. You can just search it on Google, paraphrase it, and then paste it here. So for the third question, describe your overall experience on Facebook. Again, you can just search that on Google as well, or you can just write whatever you have in mind. I will not be creating a template for you because maybe a lot of you will copy it, and if the people on Capterra will notice it, then you will automatically be declined. That is why I'm suggesting that you search on Google and paraphrase it so that you'll be safe. Aside from Google, you can also search for different reviews here on the website, here on Capterra. If you go onto the homepage and search for Facebook in the search bar, click on this one, and then you will see the details about Facebook. You will see the ratings of other people. If you scroll down, you can see the pros and cons made by the reviewers. What I love about this is that the pros and cons and the overall experience are arranged so that you can see it directly. Again, you can take inspiration from these reviews and you can write your own review using this. Now let's proceed to the last question, which is, did you switch from another product? I want you to click on no. After that, you can just tick this box right here to agree to the terms and privacy policy of Capterra. And that is it for the third and final page of this review. After all of that, click on the submit button right here. You'll then see this. Your product review has been submitted. Your reviews help other business users like yourself make better software decisions. So this is really easy and you can do this again and again. You can earn $10 per review. So if you do multiple reviews per day, then you can earn a couple of hundreds of dollars. And that's it. If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. Hit subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.